Our ABC7 Storm Track weather team is giving tips on how to stay safe on the roads ahead of those strong wind gusts we're expecting tomorrow. ABC7 Storm Tracker Sarah Coria joins us live from outside our studio. Sarah.
Well, Eric, those strong wind gusts haven't really hit as strong as they will tomorrow, but since I was outside last, it's definitely got a lot cooler. Those winds are going to start to pick up a little later tonight, again into tomorrow. Those wind gusts tomorrow will impact your driving conditions out on the road. Earlier today, I spoke to TxDOT, who offers these tips to stay safe while driving tomorrow. Now, here's a video our ABC7 crews captured earlier today of El Paso, Juarez, and Las Cruces, and the weather we saw. You can see some rain, wind, and gloomy conditions already here. Now, earlier I spoke to TxDOT. They say to avoid driving tomorrow if possible. They say if you must drive, keep both hands on the wheel firmly gripped so you always have control of your car. TxDOT specialists say to slow down and keep an eye out for debris flying in the roads. They say be especially cautious in or near high-profile vehicles.
Best car to be in is a small sedan. Anything that's higher profile than that, and we have a lot of pickup trucks in our area. Those are vehicles that are at risk of being blown around in windy weather.
And again, those wind gusts will start to pick up tonight, so be mindful of their impact on your driving conditions tomorrow. For now, Sarah Coria, ABC7.